Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. Today, I am making some delicious gluten-free butter cookies. Let's get started. I have half of a cup of softened butter. Maple syrup. I have 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. I have 1 egg. You can use vegan egg if you want to. So 1 egg. I'm going to crack it very carefully. Okay. Mix everything together very well here on low. Okay guys, so I mixed everything together. Be sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Now it's time for my dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour. Half of a cup of arrowroot powder. Half of a cup of chopped pecans. Half of a cup of cranberries. Pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. My dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. Slowly, can you guys see? I'm just gonna add half and then add the other half in later. I'm gonna fold this in just like that. Let's add the rest of this. Fold everything in. Another half a cup of almond flour, just add that in. Okay. And this will be perfect. Alright, now this is what we're looking for. It looks really good, guys. Really good. Put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Okay, my healthy people, so here we have our cookie batter. It's been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, or to speed up the process, you could put it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. That will work as well. And I'm using my scooper, and I'm just gonna scoop these out and then put them here just like that. So now I'll take my spoon, I will flatten it down. Now guys, this is completely optional. You don't have to do this because it will flatten out once it goes in the oven. But I do this because I like them very thin and crispy. So it's pretty much up to you. Like I said, it will flatten out in the oven. They're going to be a nice size cookie, guys. They're going to be pretty big. In the oven, 12 to 15 minutes, 350 degrees preheated. Be right back. Okay, my healthy people, here are my cookies. I had these in the oven, 350 degrees for 12 minutes. Get a plate. I'm going to get a plate and I'm going to put these cookies on there. So you don't have to spread them out. You just leave them the way they are. But they are absolutely delicious. As you may see, gluten-free butter cookies. I love them. Look at them. They are still delicious. And this is it, guys. These are our gluten-free butter pecan cookies. Absolutely delicious. Your kids are going to love them. You're going to love them. Grab one on the way out, and they are simple and easy to make. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is what? Free. And hit the bell so you can get your notifications. And say it with me. Stay healthy.